Hello everybody! We want to resize and adjust our projector image. Let's see how to fix it. We need to go to the projector menu and we will use the arrow keys and the central key to manage it. We are going to use the quick corner menu. To do that, we will go to the projector main menu, where we will select Settings, then Keystone, and there, in the menu Keystone, we will select Quick Corner. This menu is marvelous, since what we will do is to adjust each of the corners of our projection area. It is very simple. In your screen you can see how it works. We will choose the corner that we want to adjust, then Accept, and then move the corner by using the arrow buttons. Now on your screen you can see how I am adjusting the upper right corner. And now I'm doing the same thing with the lower right corner. If the keystone menu is not enough, you have to combine it with the next menu, also in Settings, the Zoom menu, to make the projection bigger or smaller. In my case, for example, the projection is not big enough, so we will increase the zoom and later we will apply again Quick Corner to adjust the image to our digital smartboard. Another function I want to show you is the freeze button in the remote. With it, we can freeze the image projected to continue working in the computer without seeing it. Other interesting features are the zoom buttons in the remote to do temporary zooms. And another interesting button is the pointer button, as if we had a laser pointer with us. And we will finish with a very important button. The Source Search button. You can find it in the projector and the remote. It can be used when we don't see the computer's image in the projector. Clicking on this button, it will search in the different image signal inputs to find and show it. See you next time!